I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Motion and signing in. This gives you cloud sync and project continuity. Once done, grant camera, mic, and storage permissions so the editor can access files. Now, create a new project and import your footage. Drag files in or tap the plus icon to select from device or cloud. Make sure to organize clips into a rough order. This saves time later. You're now ready to trim the first clip and set playback resolution for smooth editing. You'll continue by refining clips. Trim with the handles and use the split tool to remove unwanted sections, because precise cuts define pacing. Then add transitions and overlays to link scenes smoothly and adjust opacity or blend modes to layer elements. Use keyframes for motion, scale, and rotation. Set start and end values, then apply ease in and out for natural movement. Make sure to preview at 0, 5, or full speed to catch timing issues. Once comfortable, lock your track layers to avoid accidental edits. To finish, color grade and stabilize footage, then balance audio levels so dialogue reads clearly. Once satisfied, choose export settings. Pick the correct codec, resolution, and frame rate for your platform and set bitrate for file size control. Start export and monitor progress. After exporting, verify playback on a target device. If export fails or file is corrupted, clear Motion's cache, lower the bitrate or resolution, and restart the app. These steps often resolve memory or codec conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.